Okay, write a function f at x to represent the price after the cash discount. So f at x, 5% discount means, okay, whatever the original price, if you just times it by 0.95, which is 95% of the price, the original price, that's effectively taking off 5%. So that's f at x. Write a function g at x to represent the price after the $200 rebate. Okay, so g at x will be whatever the price, right? We're going to subtract $200. Suppose the list price of a computer is $1,500. Use a composite function to find the price of the computer if the discount is applied. If the discount is applied before the rebate. Okay, so that means we have to apply this first, and then we apply g. So it's this. Okay, so we're looking for g at f, and the original price, x represents the original price, is this. So that's g at f, that's 0.95, so we're taking 5% off. And then 0.95 times 1500, subtract 200 after, right? After the 5% off. So here it is. That's the price. D, suppose the list price of a computer is 1500. Use a composite function to find the price of the computer if the rebate is applied before the discount. So that's the other way, right? So it's FOG. So that's F at G at 1500. That's F 1500 minus 200. And then 0.95 times by 1500 minus 200. Okay, it's going to give a different value here. So I get that. Look, it's a little bit more expensive, $10 more. So it's better, right, to apply the 5% off and then subtract, right, the $200. Right, that's because 5% of $1,500 is more than 5% of $1,300.